Hello tech lovers, welcome to BorbonGeekery. Today, we're diving into two of the most talked about gadgets in 2023, the sleek Apple Watch Series 7 and the versatile Raspberry Pi 4. If you're here from Reddit, TechCrunch, Twitter, Facebook or Instagram, a special welcome to you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the latest in tech. First, let's talk about the Apple Watch Series 7. It's not just a watch, it's a lifestyle. With its advanced health monitoring and seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem, it's a must-have for any Apple aficionado. Let's check out its groundbreaking features and why it's trending on every tech forum. Next up, the Raspberry Pi 4. This tiny but mighty gadget is revolutionizing DIY tech projects. Whether it's for learning coding, building your own media center, or creating a home automation system, the Raspberry Pi 4 is your go-to. We'll explore its capabilities and why it's a top pick among tech enthusiasts. So, which of these gadgets are you excited about? The stylish Apple Watch Series 7 or the innovative Raspberry Pi 4? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you're watching from Reddit, TechCrunch, Twitter, Facebook or Instagram, click the link in our description to join the BorbonGeekery family on YouTube for more amazing tech content.